Hey guys, this is Joel and welcome to day one of Master in a Month Challenge 2. So this challenge I've decided to again take on another mental challenge. I was wanting to do a physical challenge, but just from previous injuries and my body just falling apart, I decided to give my body another rest for 1 month and tackle another mental challenge. So the challenge I've decided to do for this month is to try to master a language in 30 days. So obviously being Australian and having backgrounds of different countries, and French and Polish, I have always wanted to learn these languages just to kind of bring me to the roots of my origins and where my family are from. I tried to learn French a couple of years ago, started to get it and then kind of died off, and then tried again about 2 years ago and got a bit further, but then kind of dropped off again. So I thought, okay, well for this challenge, I will go back to the French and I will try to get to a significant level of understanding of the language within 30 days. So how I'll be tackling this challenge, I will be using an array of sources and study materials. So my main one will be via the app Duolingo. I've used that the past couple of times and it gives you a reasonable understanding of how to learn the language and how to go through it. So I'll be using that. I'll also be learning French podcasts. I think it's called Coffee Break French or something. So I'll use that to just go through other material, kind of overlap it, as well as using the French for Dummies book. So I'm trying to learn this language without actually doing any formal training, just seeing how far I can get and how much of an understanding I can get and how much of an understanding you guys can get by just using things that are at your disposal. So the criteria for the mastery of this challenge that I've set is to be able to speak for 5 minutes on a topic. So I'm yet to decide which topic I will go on. I assume it'll probably be about learning languages, the brain and health and everything. But I'll have an actual topic for you guys probably at day 15. So for judgment for my presentation, I will probably get it and send it to a couple of my French mates. And obviously them being able to speak French, they can see my fluency and how I pronounce it and if I'm getting the grammar and structure correct, and then I'll be able to get a level going off them. So my training regime for this will literally just be going through these materials, going through Duolingo, going through all the courses and just getting an understanding of the structure, of the grammar, how to say the words. And then probably after the midway point, I will start to actually find specific words and sentences and how to construct an actual presentation for the day 30. So that's pretty much it for this video, just to give you guys, that's what I'm doing. If you want to follow along, you can check out my Instagram, jml.fit, and I'll post all things that I see or practice, whatever. Just if you guys want to follow along, see how you go. If you've always wanted to learn the language, do it now. Show me what you're using, show me how you're going, and we can do it together. So thank you guys, and I'll see you at the midway point, day 15. Catch you on the next time.